I like to put the tip of the Ortho Connect right on the bracket and just kind of slide it in. That way I'm getting it into the mesh really well as I'm expressing it in. And then when I put it in the mouth, of course, I'm going to squeeze it up against the mouth. So I get even a little bit more engagement of that material in the mesh. So now, when do we put bracket base on there? Well, I put it on when the patient shows up for the appointment. Either myself or the assistant will put the composite on the brackets when they show up for the appointment because you can put it on, you can leave it in there. If they don't show up that day, maybe they'll come back in a week or so. Hopefully, it's a lot of, I mean, brackets aren't super expensive, but I don't want to like waste them. I don't want to have to go in and think about the labor of having to clean off the glue or then use it here. It's just a lot to keep up with. But if you've got brackets that are in trays, well, you're good. You can just take the brackets out and put them away in a second. I mean, your staff can do that really fast. But if you put glue on them and they don't show up, that's a problem. So we usually wait until they get there to do it.